This is Paul before the birds attack. See, he's in over here. In a few minutes, you're going to see something very different.
Put on the thing you're not wearing. That shirt with the hood on. Yes. I'm glad she told you that. I'm glad she did too. Yeah, so it's got, and they're pointy and they're all irregular, so you gotta lift that out. And that thing's gonna be wobbling, and there's broken chips of glass.
No, there's not.
Yes, there is.
Now realize this is going to be on national TV, so no swearing because they're going to have to bleep you out.
Okay.
Just use the net.
Yes, there is.
Now realize this is going to be on national TV, so no swearing because they're going to have to bleep you out.
Okay.
Just use the net. Not 2x4.
I don't have a 2x4 with me.
Well, you did over there.
How about my goggles? Do I have any?
Do you really want the world to know that you went to Holy Cross?
A little extra protection around the mouth if you want.
I think it was Holy Crows.
Holy Crows. That's what I think it was, Holy Crows.
No, you're a total idiot.
You're a fucking eagle.
Nice arms, honey.
Yeah, that's what will happen. An eagle will fly to the trees, you got kicking the fuck out.
Are you wearing these red gloves?
Whatever.
Well, there's two pairs of gloves. You can seem to have three.
Now, those gloves have permanently rounded fingers, though.
So?
If he wants to grip things, he might not be able to.
There's two pairs of gloves in total. Take whatever you want. Whatever you don't want is what I'm wearing.
Now Jim is looking over here wondering what the heck you're doing. Da, 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 da.
May the force be with you.
That's right. Just protect your eyes. Anything else is replaceable.
How long are their beaks? How deep will it go into our bodies?
I do not know.
So what did we say those things were? Gray jays or, you know?
We don't know the species of this bird.
I call them pain in the...
Oh, look at, wow, he looks like the executioner. I like
That
that.
would be the next.
Now make...
It's going in. Getting ready to step in the ring.
That's right. Getting suited up to remove those birds because he's such a nice guy that he wants them to be safe.
This ranks right up there with
Look at
crossing
him.
495 to save a turtle.
And we think Paula is nuts. Doesn't fall far from the tree. You haven't got your goggles on.
You gotta put that on backwards so it looks like swan teeth.
Over here is a nest. Uh-oh, now they're swooping in. You're just walking by.
What are you doing with that net, Bob? Are you now the backup?
Oh, I just want to see.
All right, Paul, grab it and go.
I think
Here we go.
Hey, will this thing stay on here if I let it go?
What's that?
Will this stay on? Is this connected to this?
Yes. Let me stay net. Okay, got it? I'll keep the net in front of you.
You guys want to turn around and pose for a picture for a second? Right now would be a good time. Right now.
Go over to the little house.
Go left.
Left.
Go left.
Go find a nice place over by the little house towards the Stetsons, as far as you can go.
I have to look back. Where are you going to put it? Well, we forgot that it's on a post. We cleaned up next to those
Yeah, over there in the wood pile. Stick it in the wood pile right there.
What?
There's a wood pile. Can you fit the post in the wood pile?
Well, you don't want to go too far away.
Can you just lean it up next to the wood pile?
It's not going to. It's got to be something permanent.
Stick it inside.
I'll put a block in front of it. You don't think we can block that up? Plus, it's close to predators.
Stick it down the
Like the dog.
Stick it down the center of the wood pile. It'll be up high.
Well, then all you can do is lean it up into here on that post.
I just thought it won't. They won't. They'll die. It needs to be. Obviously, we're overdressed for this.
Needs to be what?
It needs to be like it was. You don't have another pole sticking out of the ground or something?
Nope.
I'd put it there.
Right over.
Poke it in one of those pots. I haven't put flowers in there yet. Or how about standing in the middle of that pot?
Are those other two empty down there?
Yes.
I thought there was another dead nest you said.
I think it's a dead nest, but
Where?
to the left. The first one with the pink pot. That'll be okay for them. What do you think?
I ain't going anywhere. Put a zip tie on it, honey.
Hey, how about in this thing?
How about taking that piece of block and stick that post down in it, that hole? That would be a sturdy base for it. Right?
I don't think so.
You don't think stuck down through this hole? Would it fit?
No, it wouldn't fit for one thing.
Oh, okay.
No.
I put it down.
No, what the hell have we accomplished?
That's a good spot. The only thing they'll get in there is chipmunks.
Yeah, I don't think they'll survive that.
Perfect. Mission accomplished.